Hi everybody, Sean here in Hawaii once again. Today I'm talking about knives once again. So those of you who have been following my knife videos, I've talked about a number of EDC or everyday carry knives. I work in a federal building where it is illegal to carry a knife with more than 3-inch blade. So I'm really fond of the Civivi Elementum knife, which I've shown several times on my videos. It's very quick and easy to open. Is also very quick and easy to close one-handed. Liner lock. So this is the flipper. Push on that and it opens. Push a little faster and it opens quickly. Push harder and faster and it opens very quickly, and that sometimes catches people off guard, but it gets attention because I use this at work all the time. I'm an office worker. I give administrative support to biologists, and I'm constantly opening packages or cutting twine or bands or whatever it is, or an apple for breakfast, whatever it is. I'm constantly pulling out this knife and using it, and this is something that I can legally carry in a federal building. Now, before you carry an EDC knife or everyday carry knife, always check your state and local laws. For example, here in Hawaii, the blade length is not an issue, it's the design and intent of the knife. If it's a weapon, like a dagger or dirk or double-edged blade, something like that, that's illegal to carry. That's a concealed weapon. Something that's a tool, and this most certainly is a tool, is legal to carry. Anyway, this doesn't look like a weapon. It's just a straight average tool, and that's a good thing. But here's the thing, the reason I'm making this video. I pull this knife out all the time at work. My coworkers all know that I carry a knife because I use it so often. And someone came up to me and said, "Hey, Sean, can I borrow your knife? Someone needs your knife." I'm like, "Oh, okay, well, here you go." And I handed them my knife while I was doing something else. We're having a beach picnic party, and I looked, and someone I didn't even know was using my knife as a hammer and screwdriver to try and collapse a folding table. They did a little bit of damage to the blade. I was not happy. Yeah, the knife was only $50, but that knife was $50. So now I mean, I worked on it. I honed it as well as I could, so you probably can't really see in the video, but there's damage to the blade. I was mad, so I thought, you know what, I need a less expensive knife, but still a good knife. And I went online and I saw that the Civivi Praxis was rather, not the Praxis. The Praxis is too big to carry at work. The Mini Praxis, which has about the same length of blade. It looks a little bit more like a weapon when it's up to the police officer who's assessing whether it's a tool or a weapon. It's a little more aggressive looking, but still it's a tool. So I ordered one of those because they're currently on sale for under $30. Let's have a look. I just got it in the mail today. Okay, so the package just came in the mail. Something wrapped around it. Okay, this is new and different. All right, not sure what this is. Is that a shaving kit or something? Oh, this would actually make a nice tool roll for the little pack on the back of my motorcycle. I can stick my wrenches and screwdrivers and things in here, roll it up, and put it in a tool bag. Maybe. I think it'll fit in there. I don't know. I guess that's what this is for, keeping my assortment of knives, my sharpening tool. I don't know what this is for, but I think that's what I'm going to use it for. And that was a nice gift. That wasn't something I ordered. That was just something they threw in. Okay, well, nice, thanks. Let's see what the knife looks like. I haven't opened this up yet. Let's see what this knife looks like. Okay, I see it comes in the familiar little carrying case. This is very nice. I have 5 of these now. Okay, they want us to tell our friends. Warranty, but oh, and this one is a different color. They usually come with a cleaning cloth, a wiping cloth, and this is the first time I've seen one in a bright color, but hey, it's kind of cool. And there's a booklet. Oh, the book's about the Elementum. Did they send me the right knife? Yes, they sent me the Praxis. Okay. So I've not seen this knife in the flesh before. I've only seen them on the internet. So I could see it's like the Elementum. It's a deep carry pocket clip. A little different. Looks a little more sturdy. Yeah, definitely feels more sturdy. I've already replaced this once, which is very easy to do. Parts are available online on Civivi's website. And I have the Torx tools to fit here. Okay. Does not have a lanyard hole here, which is okay. But it is a flipper. It has a more contoured grip. That's why I said it might look a little more like a weapon to the police officers asking you, or the security guard. Ah, nice action. Opened very quickly and easily. But yes, that, I mean, it's definitely a tool. Look at the shape of that blade. But with that more aggressive looking hand grip, someone might say, oh, that's a weapon. So it's totally up to interpretation. Like I said, the local laws in Hawaii are, is it a tool or a weapon? If it's a weapon, you can't conceal it. If it was designed to be used on people, you cannot carry it in your pocket or in your bag. Whereas, if it's just a tool, you can keep it wherever you like. So, what's the difference in the blade? They're both made of D2 steel, I believe. This is a much wider blade, you could see. It's a flat grind as opposed to a hollow grind. I'm not sure what the effective difference that will make is. People definitely have opinions over one grind over the other. You can see that damaged this blade, I think. At least I can see it from here. So this will probably be my new everyday carry. We'll see. I'll use it for a while, see how I like it. Anyway, thanks for tuning into my channel.